My name is Bob Zahniser, and I've got a couple of poems here. The first one I wrote a few weeks back in response to the bombing incident in Boston. It's called The Mythical Land of Overseas. In the mythical land of overseas, we can do whatever we please. There are no real people there. The French are people? Au contraire. The only ones we can't blow to bits are our staunch allies, the Poodle Brits, and we Christians love Israeli Jews, though they'll go to hell without good news. Everyone else is fair game for us to mutilate and maim. If they should die in bombing strikes, they're terrorists, even if they're tykes. You'll never hear us raise a fuss till someone does the same to us. And this next one's called For Every Beginning and End. When nothing was, things weren't, and waiting was a thing unlearnt. Then the was, and the patterns danced, each bounce a chance until now, until us, and all this caught up in us, pulling consistent orbits. But the voice of the nothing, the pleasant emptiness, promises to end these troublesome connections, unspin the spun, ungrind the ground, undo the done, unwind the wound, and someday your body will listen and put the good in by, and the sound in sigh. You will speak and hear the nothing reply. Thank you.